Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany? That's me, Brittany, and if you're just tuning in, here's what you've missed. For Memorial Weekend, Andrew and I packed up Domino and we took the dogs out to an event called Descend on La Sierra in California. It's an official van life meetup where vehicle dwellers, meet up just to have a good time. The first day, we really hung out around Domino, and while it was hot during the peak times, we really stayed inside and watched a little before 90 Day Fiancé. And later that evening, we went out to the barn for some live music. The next day, I took the dogs on a really nice walk, and then we went and enjoyed some coffee from a converted VW bus. And how freaking cool is this? Andrew gave Buddha his morning medicine and also entertained Jada because, why not?
Alright, fine. Come here. Come here. Can't forget about Jada. Okay, you ready? Where are your eyes at? Hello. Hi. Boop. Boop. Good girl.
I then tried my hand at an intentional vegetarian breakfast and it came out okay, but note to self, stay away from vegan cheese, just go with regular cheese. And here's where we pick back up. And for some reason, I'm not sure why I did not include this in the last video, but say hello to Jada. And it's time for a workout. Hey friends, so the Adventure Allens, they are hosting, they're hosting a workout session. I'm just going there to support. I can help with some stretching, I can do some stretches, but as far as working out, I haven't did a real workout session in over a year. So I'm not gonna embarrass myself. I'm just there to support and do some stretching because it's been a very long time since I've actually worked out. So it's at the barn, so that's where we're headed. Thank you.
This will be a workout, no equipment, she's a roller coaster.
So we just made it back in from the workout. That 30 seconds, that was literally 45 minutes of working out compacted into 30 seconds. And I'm tired. We went and, got a milkshake. I had an espresso milkshake, and Andrew had a iced dirty chai latte situation of a drink. And I'm sleepy. I'm tired. I want to take a nap because your girl haven't worked out in over a year, and I just need a nap. So that's what's about to happen. Why? Because I can. So I will talk to y'all later.
something like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always.
Look, another bus. I wonder where they're going.
A bus.
Those be the bus driving down that street.
Oh.
Yes. The roads.
Where's Domino? Let's see. Oh, she's blocked. Alright. Where's Domino, friends?
Though a stranger in this continent.
And this is how I go on walks.
Always in